These new findings have everyone on edge. We must begin resolving the matter.
Supervisor Perlica, the HAS has sent a set of highly classified authorization protocols.
Okay, Endman. I'll talk to you later.
You gave everything to ensure the survival of life. With all retreat cut off, you placed your hope in the Zeroth Directive. Go forth and touch it. You have one last chance. Reclaim the history that was yours. Remember your calling. This is the only gift you left for yourself. There were 128,793 Terrans on Talos II at your birth. A single gate bridged two worlds. We crossed the vast cosmos and arrived at this foreign home. However, all our dreams and plans fell into ruin at that same gate. Behind us, the broken bridge crumbled. Every famine and mass casualty risked dooming our civilization. The First Angloid War saw this world spawn countless war machines, steeped in malice. You led the fledgling alliance and banished the threat into the ether side. Pioneering bases lost, Originium and you ravaged. Victory's toll was heavy. Then the Humiliation War reignited fratricide, nearly pushing Terrans to the edge of full-scale civil war. The seed you sowed bloomed in time. At the cliff's edge, people paused and pledged the Band Accord. Decades later, we ushered in an age of prosperity. Cities rose in the south. The civilization band grew rapidly. Time and time again, you rose from your slumber to guide civilization, leading us away from the broken bridge. However, as the enemy licked its wounds, we scrounged for resources and survival, neglecting our original vision. And the Originium's wounds never truly healed. The decay spread. With every slumber, you lost more. year 139, as the exiles returned, the Second Angloid War stood at our doorstep. We were forced to initiate an ill-prepared expedition. Your sacrifice exceeded the worst thresholds. The Originium is still collapsing. We never truly left that broken bridge. Execute the Zeroth Directive. Deploy the PAC. Revive the pulse of life. Treasure your very last chance.
It's got nothing to do with the sarcophagus. The damage dealt to the Originium is metaphysical in nature. The Endman's health will only get worse with every awakening.
But the memory loss means
Then you should have faith in the Endman. The repairs can only be performed by the Endman.
but our Endman's lost all memory. We can't force a drowning person to learn to swim.
Now, we didn't come up with the automated industry complex to make bottles and jars. Yo, just woke up? We were talking about you just now. That means you're doing fine. Letting Perlica hang around with
M3, I believe this is the Endman's first meeting with you. And Endman, you might not remember.
Yes, I was. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm M3. As for who I am, I'm your friend. That should suffice.
M3 is also one of the executors of the Zeroth Directive.
I'm also here to feed you additional intel about that special request from HAS. It's the largest ether rift of the Civilization Band. Unfortunately, we picked up traces of ether energy activities at that place. Neferith, I bet. She's not even trying to... Every Enfielder is working hard to solve this issue, so I'm not too worried if something within the ether side is still struck. Our enemies are closely tied to the ether. The protocol... Good. You're still your old self. I really want to be a part of your wulling trip. But we got...
Endman? M3 is one of our elite operators. She is responsible for carrying out combat. Although the Civilization Band secured our right of survival during the 2 Angloid Wars, many factions in their M3 has removed many obstacles, both overt and covert, for Endfield. Wulling City is a key center of science and research of the Hongshan Academy in addition to monitoring the very large rift. Wulling City also built plenty of... The city is a home they rebuilt atop a disaster. Wulling is also pursuing a special research project on something called Shiranite. Their aim is to overcome ether. Endfield already has plans to deploy an automation core in Wulling City, instead of our AIC. That's right. And Chen is quite familiar with Wulling City. Since we're unsure of how many cards Neferith has in her hands, we should be as fully...
Endman, I've made some progress. We completed our high confidentiality level handshake with HAS. Landing protocol is in the works. Supervisor Perlica will be with... waiting for you aboard déso.
We just received a situation update. The Intel office sent an update on the Bone Crushers. They are moving towards Wulling. Ether depth readings are changing throughout. M3 said that powerful individual. But this also means you're short on people.
Come on, there's us, right?
Enman, Supervisor Perlica, your landing protocol, we've established the drop point inside Wulling City. You may set off.
Understood. Well,
This is the first time I'm heading back to Wulling. Enman, I won't allow the Valley 4 incident to happen again.
indeed. Additionally, our partnership with the Wulling lead, the liaison of our operation, Zhuang Fengyi. I will be syncing additional details to your Wulling Very Large Rift is the largest known rift in the civilization band. Wulling City is right above this rift.
I only stayed at Wulling. I can't stand the thought of this peachy sanctuary getting attacked. It's a form of blight. And since Wulling is close to rivers, I saw her from afar. The only thing I know about her. As for other things, people say her students really worship her. That's why the stories keep getting crazier. I was only there for around a year, and it was a while ago. Let's not dally then. Time.
Ready yet, Endman? All right. Neferith will not get.
Ouais, toi? Bah, je t'entendais déjà, hein.
Radio is still intermittent.
We've been walking for 15 minutes, but we have yet. Landing coordinates deviation seems larger than I thought.
Bon, là, ça va.
We can't get in touch with Fiona or Viceroy Zhuang at the moment.
Oh my. Feeling this nice.
Et toi, tu fais quoi?
This place is a little too quiet. I prefer things lively. Weird. The blight tide shouldn't have risen yet. Why would our radio comms get interrupted? I'm quite familiar.
Bah, moi, je joue à
I've
l'effort
read
d'id.
plenty of investigative reports.
Of course.
Yes, but we're experiencing an its navigation function is out.
To help traveling peddlers, messengers, and tourists, Wulling City has deployed a number of. Time to roll. Let's follow this trail and look around. Enman, this is your first visit
Le
to
post
Wulling, right?
moqueur.
It's so different from Valley 4, isn't it? Just
Ouais, je suis
you
dans
wait.
une école.
There are even more surprises in store.
Alors, moi, je te dis que je suis en train de m'aventurer dans une école. Ouais, c'est une map. Si tu regardes. Ouais, c'est une map. C'est une map. Comme tu le vois, je suis dans une école. Si je veux, je peux même pousser les bots qui prennent des dégâts.
rift is over there. Wait, who's that?
Comment ça, toi? Non, non, le bot, il a dit à moi quand j'ai tué le tank, alors que c'est même pas lui qui l'a tué. C'est moi, quoi. C'est moi qui l'a HP. Ok.
Are you also trying to cross the river? I honestly don't know.
Allez, j'ai essayé. Ah, bah il le voit, ce
We
moqueur.
came here for this.
I am a traveler who hails.
The free city of Yirsch. One bound by a ring of snow.
My intent was to cross this river and
Si
visit.
tu pètes la
Wulling
porte,
City.
bien sûr que je peux te
I
voir.
did
Hein.
not expect that.
Are you here by yourself?
Yes, it's.
This place is getting
Il aura plus de cerveau.
Are you sure you'll be all?
Well, but
Ah.
in the end, no matter. Will you kindly instruct?
Enman?
Je pense pas.
It is agreed then. We shall travel together.
Most gladdening. It will be delightful to converse with. Apology. Ardashir is my name.
Et ferme-la.
As you can. I have secured a good footing. You may activate the vessel.
Et voilà, tu vois, j'avais raison. C'est même pas lui qui a eu qui a même pas eu le
It's an
tank.
ancient Sargonian name.
C'est moi.
It is not commonly seen amongst the people of Talos too.
Sargonian. Now that's a truly historical name. These emeraldine landscapes look far more appealing in comparison to the windswept lands of Ochre Dust.
Jure, faut passer dans le
No matter
conduit.
how the blight poisons this
Pas là,
land,
Among Us.
life perseveres, grows and reclaims.
Passer dans un conduit, je viens de le faire à la Among Us. C'est pas grave. Je devais. Ok, esquive.
Flowery fragrance rides with the breeze. Is it not pleasing?
Je crois qu'il faut attendre.
Enman, watch your step. We'll reach Wulling City once we pass through this grove.
I've never seen a bamboo forest with such verdance and lushness. Nothing. This is my first time listening to rustling in such clarity. The sound of the wind brushing itself against a grove.
But
Seems this trail has not been used for some time.
ouais, c'est
Mr. Ardashir, we might need to.
ouais,
rest
c'est
here
dommage
for
que
a
je peux
while.
pas faire tomber les bottes.
Of course. I apologize for intruding, and I truly appreciate your assistance. I pray that I have not inconvenienced anyone. Yet this seems to be the only path. So, my dear friends, perhaps we shall have the opportunity
Oh.
to meet again.
He looks friendly. but I just feel there's
Ah, moi.
something weird about him.
I queried the name Ardashir in the database. The only hits are figures of Sargonian history, and other common employees registered at Seshka and the UWST. None of them matched his age, though.
Well, I didn't sense any hostility from him.
Chen, how long would it take us to reach Wulling City?
Won't be long. Once we get through this place, I'll know the rest like the back of my hand. But this really is the only path. We will run into that young man eventually.
Indeed. Our primary objective is to reach Wulling City ASAP.
Je crois que je l'ai pas fait celle-là.
Wait, what was that?
These bamboo trees can move.
They're grove nymphs! Bamboo bugs. Oh, this will be tough. I forgot about the secrets of navigating through this.
Grove nymphs? Does that mean these bamboo trees are just... Ardashir. He hasn't gone far.
Ah, my prayers have been answered. Once again, I find myself in a similar scene. Perhaps I was not seeing things. The bamboo trees can actually move, and it gladdens me so.
These grove nymphs. Is there any rule that dictates their movement?
Vous allez même pas chercher dans mes bottes, vous allez rester pistolet? Ok, si vous le voulez. Si vous voulez rester pistolet, vous restez pistolet.
Fortunately, these creatures are not aggressive. Perhaps we can solve this mystery on our own.
Look there! These little critters travel in and out of groves to feed. Maybe we can make use of that. Oh no! The grove got between us! Hey! Are you alright?
I'm all right. I can see a trail from here. Let us meet up ahead.
Careful, Endman.
Look! The pantails must have been attracted by that pillar. It's a Qianshu Bureau facility. It worked! Phew! After spending all that time running about in the grove, am I glad to see such a refreshing sight.
A refreshing sight indeed. But we still have a mission to carry out.
Can you hear me? I believe I found something.
I hear you, but we're still looking for a way out.
Is there a statue?
This looks like the statue that Ardashir mentioned.
Wait, there are words carved on the statue. Return here to illuminate the path. And yeah, we were saying, return here to illuminate the path. For emergencies, switch on the guiding light. I think we're back to where we started getting lost.
That statue seems to be designed to help people escape.
Careful! These water lamps spit acid! Your end awaits!
Gotta put in the hard yakka.
Le fait de ne pas déranger ses poupées.
Only by walking upon the land can we truly appreciate every breath and pulse of life. And this is what Enfield is fighting for.
Forme une équipe du tonnerre. Allez, allez. C'est clair. Dose d'adrénaline.
Hey, why don't we just cut down the bamboo? Not that I want to, but...
I understand. But such scenery and environments are rare and valuable to Telosians.
There! Those must be the guiding lights mentioned by the way is now open. I'm not feeling super positive about this.
Sérieusement, foutu witch.
Have you found the way?
I think we have. Let's figure out how to meet up.
Good. Then I shall need you to seek me out by following my voice. Be careful out here. I've picked up other voices, and they sound rather bestial in nature.
Careful. This is a crow beast. Be wary of the sharp spines on its body.
I don't think it likes us being here. Target locked. Fire!
None shall live.
Look at us, pulling together like a real brood.
Vous me couvrez? Je dois me venir.
Your end awaits.
Sterilize this area!
What? Really kept
Good work, everyone. Violence is never
Pas loin.
unexpected.
You look totally unfazed by this.
I believe fortune was on my side. Now, this has proven to be quite an enlightening experience so far. It succeeded in startling me at the beginning, but now that I look back at it, my brief...
You sure live a life of leisure.
Let's continue our discussion outside. You seem to be enjoying yourself, Ardashir.
I am. My journey has taken me to numerous places, but Talos 2 never ceases to amaze me. And what about you? You bear the logo of Endfield. What is it that you do?
We are Endfield Industries. We strive for the growth and prosperity of the Civilization Band.
So are you visiting Wulling for official business?
Our visit might be considered as that.
You have a most admirable pursuit. The wind is changing. The climate here changes on a whim. It is vastly different compared to the north. I have met diverse individuals during my travels. People lack things, far more than they realize. If you actually helped so many people, can I assume that some of them are treating you as heroes?
Not quite, to be honest.
Je suis pas étonné que tu
I
saches
see
même
light
pas.
up ahead. This must be the exit. Hey, why are you stopping?
The grove is thinning out. The exit must be near.
Great.
This took longer than expected. We must meet up with...
T'en vaudrait un.
Endman,
Regardez, un refuge.
might we share a few words? You've been rather quiet and taciturn
Entrez
throughout.
vite.
Endman,
Elise,
sounds like a position. Before we go our separate ways, I do have a question to ask.
vous nous aurez pas.
As of now, do you approve of your endeavor?
Of course I do.
Endman, over here! I found the road to Wulling City.
I'll take my leave.
Mm-hmm. Then, it is inevitable. You.
Ugh, the wind is so strong. Look, I chanced you pillar. I think we're
On y est
back on
presque.
the main road.
Hey, y a des incendiaires. Incendiaires déployés.
Why are you with them?
We just reminisced. Best if you keep it courteous. Sorry, Endman. Please pardon the suddenness of this. I only hope to have a proper discussion.
No need for that.
We have no cause to kill each other. After all, you are Kyle. It seems we're still chained by hatred.
Munitions.
We had a delightful talk. Thank you, Endman.
Chanced pillar can no longer contain the blight.
The Angoi adapt their forms to the environment. Do not let your guard down. And Focus on their attack.
C'est pas comment,
Take this! How's that, Edmund? Did you see that like this? Ready to picture it? Sing for the record. Forward! Take this! Take it! Yeah! What's this?
There are too many of them. We better pull back.
Go that way! Get on the raft and leave! Edmund! Wake up! Still breathing, can't be dead. Huh? You're alive? Little brat, playing dead on me, huh? Edmund, you alright? Got helpers, eh? Leave this one to me, Inman. Wait a minute. Huh? Greenish horse, long girl, silly braids. Huh? Huh? Tong Tong? Behold! You're addressing the Supreme Chief of Chingvostucket! Tong Tong! Yeah, though they count as local wulingers, many of them are petty thieves and criminals. Tong Tong used to be an under-chief of the stockade. Our blades clashed before, and that's how I met her. Hey! Master Chair! Huh? I never expected to see you show up here! I thought Wulling tracked you out by your tail! What brings you back? And how did you fall into this place? You're responsible for that blatotrophic racket up there? Chief Tong Tong! Since we've stumbled on the turf of your mighty stockade, it's only fair we play by your rules. But my companion's never been here before. Can you give us a private moment? Please? Ah! You behaved well! Approved! But don't even try to run. This is my turf! No, I only found... I'm sure Perlica's fine. She's tough and... Anyway,
If this really is Jingbo Stockade's yeah. I first met her when I was practicing swordmancy outside Wulling. She kept butting in, throwing advice. She's not a bad person. Just a bit money-minded. Can't blame her, though. Her people have it tough. Ah, that. Ayo, let's just leave talking about if she's made it to the top. Ooh, I got an idea. We play along.
Done drawing? Jingbo Stock is all about survival. As long as the heels stick, you two are my green nails, alright? Drop me some good